So here, I'm discussing about the Google new update that is called HTTPS. HTTP is called without secured. HTTPS is called secured. So when I open the site, you will be out showing here not secure. So you can put in for what? Secure site. So how to build on the secure website? That is called when you're creating for secure for HTTPS. There's a two option. First one is need by code. The code will be like this. This code designed by the developers. This code we can enter for where .htaccess file. Now first of all, before creating HTTPS file, first of all check for the website will be 404 error will be there or not. That means when enter any wrong page, they got where 404 file. So this problem first resolve it. Once resolve this problem, we can start with your security your website. That is called first go to cPanel. Be careful to watch. In this option call is file manager. We have rectified two issues, security and 404 page authority. Now go to public underscore HTML. Here the file will be not available. .htaccess. You can check for on your hide files. Go to settings. We can check show hide files. Save is there. .htaccess file not available. What do we do? Create the file or the name is called .htaccess. Now click for create the file. File was created. After that, enter over the two codes that is called Control A, Control C, paste where .htaccess file, edit it, edit the file, open your file, paste it. Then one is the 404 error, second will be htaccess. Now here, first of all, this is a PHP website or HTML. It's totally PHP. So we can fix for this extension will be called PHP. Now click for save. Now come to your site. Now click for home page. Done here HTTPS total secure. After that, entering for wrong URL. They're going to where our home page. After this one, if you go to your cPanel, write down procedure for security attention purpose. Go to option call is here. The option is a security. Go to cPanel. Option call is security. Option call is let's encrypt SSL. Go to cPanel. The option call is security. Remember guys, this option is not available. Your hosting is not compatible for SSL certification. Your hosting mandatory field call the domain is support for SSL when you purchase on hosting with the SSL certificate. Sometimes people asking question, so I don't have option for my hosting. That is called the hosting not support for SSL certificate. We can purchase for separate. The charge will be 2000 to up to 10,000. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 up to. Phase 1, phase 2 is the normal website. Phase 3, phase 4 will be e-commerce with the license secured websites. Normal website, service based, phase 1, phase 2 is the better one. So this is one is the default given by the hosting. Is supported by the all versions. Now click here, script. This SSL will be every month will be renewal automatically when purchase hosting time. Is it clear? Now here, first of all activate. So I'm clicking for security. Let's script SSL. Click for activate issue. Don't touch any options. Go here. Click for issue. They're going to security for your site. Done. Site will be done by your security. Let's go back. You're done. Added this site. Okay, check your site. Previous like this. Now refresh. Totally secure for the lock symbol. This is called HTTPS for niftyinterior.com site. So clear? This option is not available. You can add the code for secure for unlock purpose. We can using this option is a mandatory. One is called to coding. Second will be this option will be mandatory for your hosting part. There is a two option we can activate for your website. Remember, before creating SSL certificate, we have to activate for 404 issue will be resolve it. After resolve it, activate for HTTPS also. This is called both codings for .htaccess file on your PHP or HTML. One different HTML will be changed for here is the option.